A fuel injector is a device that sprays fuel into the engine of a vehicle. It is an important component of the fuel delivery system and is controlled by the engine's computer. When a fuel injector is faulty, it can cause problems with the vehicle's performance, such as difficulty starting, reduced fuel efficiency, misfiring engine, decreased power, and increased emissions. It is important to diagnose and fix faulty fuel injectors to avoid further damage to the engine and maintain the vehicle's performance. Here is top 5 symptoms of bad fuel injector. Number 1. Difficulty starting the vehicle. If you notice that your vehicle is struggling to start or that it takes longer than usual for the engine to turn over, this could be a sign of a faulty fuel injector. Number 2. Reduced fuel efficiency. If you notice that your vehicle is using more fuel than usual, this could be a sign that the fuel injectors are not functioning properly. Number 3. Misfiring engine. If you notice that your engine is misfiring or running unevenly, this could be a sign that the fuel injectors are not delivering the correct amount of fuel to the engine. Number 4. Decreased power. If you notice that your vehicle is losing power or that it is struggling to accelerate, this could be a sign of a faulty fuel injector. Number 5. Increased emissions. If you notice that your vehicle is emitting more exhaust fumes than usual, this could be a sign that the fuel injectors are not functioning properly and are causing excess fuel to be burned in the engine. Hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.